Hi friends, today our trip is to explore one of the most exciting historical places surrounded by amazing nature. We travel by the beautiful coastal train ride from Colombo to Beli Atha. Let's join with us and enjoy the journey. The coastal line is a major railway line in Sri Lanka, running between Colombo Fort and Beli Atha, via Galle and Matara, some of the busiest rail services in the country. The line is one of the fastest in Sri Lanka. One can reach Beli Atha from Colombo Fort in 4 hours. The coastal railway line is one of the most famous railway line, with scenic views of southern coast and the Indian Ocean. The train journey passes by towering palm trees, sprawling paddy fields, and thick jungles. Beli Atha is the current terminus of the coastal line, and a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour between Matara to Beli Atha. Mulkirigala Temple can be reached by coming along Belly Atha, Wirakedia Main Road and turning off at Mulkirigala Junction. The temple is situated 2 kilometers from Mulkirigala Junction. One can reach Beliata town from either Dakwela or Tangalle. Let's embark on a virtual journey to explore the magnificence of Mulkirigala Rock Temple and discover why it should be a prominent destination on your travel itinerary. For spiritual seekers and history enthusiasts alike, Mulkirigala Temple offers a unique opportunity to connect with Sri Lanka's Buddhist heritage. The temple complex houses a variety of Buddha statues, many of which reflect the artistic styles of different historical periods. The serene atmosphere, combined with the rhythmic chants, creates a calm ambience. The Mulkirigala Raja Mahaviharaya, also known as Mulkirigala Rock Temple, is 20 kilometers from Tangalle. The temple is perched on a boulder approximately 200 meters high. The history of Mulkirigala Temple dates back to the 3rd century BC. The existence of a few cave inscriptions written in early Brahmi scripts provides evidence that the temple served as an abode for the Buddhist monks in the 3rd century BC. One of the most captivating aspects of Mulkirigala Temple is its impressive rock-cut architecture. The temple complex is built into the side of a massive rock formation, creating a breathtaking fusion of human craftsmanship and natural beauty. The complex consists of 7 terrace levels, each adorned with intricate murals, sculptures, and stupas. As you ascend the levels, you will be greeted by a stunning panorama of the surrounding landscapes, providing a sense of serenity and awe-inspiring wonder. The rock of Mulkirigala rises about 676 feet from the surrounding land mass. There are 7 cave temples situated in 5 terrace areas of different altitudes. They are the Lower Terrace or Patha Malua, Bow Tree Terrace or Bodhi Malua, Great King's Temple Terrace or Raja Mahavihara Malua, Upper Bow Tree Terrace or Chaitya Malua, and Chetia Terrace. These terraces can be accessed comfortably through well-paved granite paths and steps going right up to the Dagaba Terrace. A large collection of paintings and sculptures belonging to the Kandyan era can be seen in the caves and image houses on the temple premises. Most paintings depict the episodes from the life of the Gautama Buddha and Yathaka stories. The stone doorway is carved with a design of floral decorations and squirrels. Kandyan-era wooden column decorations also can be seen here. Within the broad religious landscape, caves have held a profound place in Buddhist tradition. These natural retreats, often secluded from bustling societies, offered a conducive environment for meditation, spiritual practices, and living quarters for monastic communities. The Bo Tree Tea, the upper terrace, is considered to be a shoot from one of the 32 saplings of Sri Maha Bodhi planted at the said terrace during the reign of King Devanampiya Tissa. Mulkirigala Temple is also considered to be one of the 64 temples constructed by King Kawan Tissa. The Chediya at the uppermost terrace is considered the of house the Buddha relics offered by King Sada Tissa. According to the historical manuscripts, there are many kings credited with the construction work of the temple during their reign. Nestled amidst the lush landscapes of Sri Lanka, the Mulkirigala Temple stands as a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage and spiritual significance. For visitors seeking a captivating blend of history, architecture, and natural beauty, this temple is an absolute must-visit. Sri Lankan village life is characterized by a symbiotic relationship between the Wua, Tank, Dagaba, Stupa, Gama, village and Pansala, temple. Villagers engage in activities such as farming, fishing, coconut tree climbing, and wood carving. Discover the authentic rural charm of Sri Lankan village life here. Simple and peaceful, life in a Sri Lankan rural community is a world away from the city rush. Embracing the art of earth and living, the villagers meld their lives into the harmonious rhythm of nature.